in this tutorial I'm going to discuss about how to create an address list. So by name you can able to understand about the address list, what exactly it could be, the address list. Now we are currently in EMC, Exchange Management Console, and in organization configuration. And then in organization configuration, first we will open that Microsoft Exchange on premises, and then we will go through the organization configuration, and then going to go to mailbox, and then lots of tabs are there, and one of the tabs is this address list. Now going to you can create address list with action pane also, with new address list. And as soon as you press that address list, you will find that to create a new address list, since we already not created any, so it asking to create a new one. So address list could be the collection of a recipient, could be the collection of ADDS objects. So address list, by address list we are able to understand about this grouping of a recipient and an organization. In an organization where I can create a grouping of a user, particular department based user. I can create a group of city based user. So this is how we can create a address list, or it can be a contact list too. So it's a subset, is just a grouping where we can manage the uh, users of a recipient, the recipient of our organization, who may have a dealing with our organization but not a part of our organization, as well as a person which works in our organization, but uh, this guy can be in the list because it works in our organization, means it exactly have some different grouping. I'm going to name it, for example, I named it as AL1. You can name it anything. I just created an address list, and there you find that a container, which is just go with the browse. And as of now, these are the by default contact list filter, and you can put those things, put those contact lists in under these uh, container as well. So container is called like a OU in Active Directory. So you can select this, for example, contacts, groups, rooms, users, all that. So public folders. So as of now, I'm just fine with a different grouping. You can select any of this container if you require to, but I'm saying that I'm okay with the container. Now filter settings. Now this is what the filter settings is. For example, I created a OU, which is named as accounts. For example, let me show you that. Okay, I'm created a OU in the domain where I have 3 users. So I can use this particular OU, and so that these users can be the part of this contact list. So I'm selecting this OU. So these 3 users will be the part of the new contact list I'm going to create, the new address list I'm going to create, so that I need not to go with other grouping. Microsoft Exchange Security Groups created by default as soon as you uh, create promote Exchange Server 2010. Now there is a couple of things more to understand. Now you can see the following specific types, means include these recipient types as well. For example, users with Exchange mailbox, those users who have a mailbox authentication can be a part of this group. Then means they already own the mailbox of our organization. The second is the user with extended email address, means users which is known to organization, but they don't have a mailbox. They have external mailbox. I mean, it could be the client of our group may not work in our group. Resources mailboxes, these are could be the mailbox which have other resources, and contact with external email addresses. Contacts with means, for example, the same thing that the user may have a contact with the group with the external email addresses. These are the different and user with external email address means user may working in our organization but may have different email addresses. Contacts means they may be the client of organization. So two are the different thing. Mail enabled group means a particular group which is enabled, which have users which enable the mail. So users with external email address, contacts with external email address is different things. Okay, and I'm going to with the conditions. There will be the conditions like recipient is a state or province, recipient in a department, recipient in a company, and all that attributes. For example, that once you create a user and in an organization, you find out that they may be uh, have some blocks like I'm going let me show the properties, and we have lots of like this is what we used to create now. For example, this is Simon King and its address is, its tweet is means this Simon King may working in some other uh, office, for example in New Delhi or office or a Calcutta office. So these are the organization for, and this particular user has some different job title. Now account department could be the bigger, could be more could be more, have more departments, could have more officials. So it's not like that accounts only work with accounts. Usually could be some IT professional also may work in account, and they have some different headquarters. So this is what these address list is all about. Now I'm just going with saying the recipients in the department, and I'm going to add that account department. For example, this accounts. So as I said, that designation may be Lopman, and lot many users could be the part of our accounts. Maybe the IT uh, field member would also be a part of account, maybe for maintenance purpose, maybe for some other thing. So who knows? Now in the scheduling of this creating of address list, you can specify the address list. We will apply the maximum length of time. So if you created address list of some 20 or 30, by default cancel the task after 8 hours, and there is a scheduling thing. I'm just go with the next, and you can see about the summary of address list. I'm just going with the new. Yes, I'm going to create a new. First, create a new address list. I guess done. It's created, and now we're going to apply. I guess done. It's finished. Or and you can find out the organization. The address list is created. You're just pressing refresh. Okay, it's created. L1 is created, and Hope you learned something about how to create a address list. Thanks for watching.